news report regarding these elephants who are running and who are saving their lives, and they are running in Zimbabwe. Okay, there are different. I already told that there are different points of view of people. So first one is here, the latest refugees from violence. There was first reason that the latest refugees from violence, that they were moved from here and there. So it is the main reason here. Dangerous exodus, again this is the main reason. Then there is lawlessness, there is no proper law for them, for these elephants. Then again there is one another reason, that elephants come and break down their trees. Again there is, we have heard shooting at night. Then but is cooling the answer. Okay, they found the answer that according to different points, according to different people's point, they came there to on a one viewpoint, that it cooling. Cooling means that to kill a specific kind of animal, certain number of elephants or certain number of animals for killing. They consider a specific number of elephants and they will kill. They will not kill all the elephants. So this was a reason. This was a point which was given by this was given by a person. Okay, you will read it deeply and you will understand what were the main reasons here. Okay, then we have on page number vocabulary on page number 16. There are some vocabulary words in this news report. There are many words which are connected with the trapping and killing of wildlife. Use your dictionary to define the following words. You will use your dictionary. There are some words and you will find what the meaning of these words. Okay, I have written here. First one is snares. Snare is a trap used to catch small animals. It is a kind of material which is used to to catch small animals. Have you ever seen the how we trap a mouse? We use different type of things to trap a mouse. Like that, this is snare, to trap trap used to catch small animals. Then cool and cooling, I already told that cooling was a main point, that they suggest it is a point that elephant should we should kill a certain number of elephant. Okay, cooling, kill a certain number kind of animals. Again, in question number 2, match the words from the text in the left hand column correct definition with the correct definition in the right hand column. Okay, there are some words I have matched here, so you will also match these words on your books. Okay students, there is a question, write down at least 6 other words and expression from the text connected with the trapping and killing of wildlife. Okay, you have to write different words which are used for trapping and killing of wildlife animals. There are nest, pouch, shoot, bear traps, rifle, ivory. These are all words which are used for trapping and killing wildlife. Wildlife here means different animals of forest and any other places. Okay, then we have question number 3, write down the word or phrases from the text which means the same as the following. Okay, there are some words, there are some in phrases. As you know, phrases are incomplete sentences, so we have to find their perfect meaning. So I have written here, ripped apart by disaster. It is, we will use a word for it, this phrase, crisis torn. Then B is in huge number, record numbers. migration according to the time of years, seasonal immigration, then destroyed in a calculated way, systematically whipped out, then immigration, exodus, then safe passage, corridor. Okay, these are all phrases. These are all words which are used for these phrases. Okay, student.